How to fix your emoji skin color on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your emoji skin color on your Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger, click on your profile, scroll down, and now click on Photos and Media. And you have the last option, which is emoji. Click on it, and like you see, pick one, and you can change it anytime in setting. For example, I choose the option number 4, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.